Attention marketers, looking for financial security during these pandemic crises? As you probably already know, one of the fastest and easiest ways to make money online is in affiliate marketing. As an affiliate, you don't have to worry about creating products, providing support, or testing and tweaking sales pages endlessly in order to increase conversion rates and ultimately profits. In fact, affiliate marketers can make just as much money as product owners and online merchants without having to do any of the work. Also, with everything going on in the world right now, affiliate marketing is one of the few industries where the impact of the coronavirus has presented affiliate marketers with better opportunities. The pandemic outbreak has resulted in increasing financial uncertainty and higher unemployment. These uncertain times have worried people about their financial futures, making them seek alternative money-making opportunities. And as affiliate marketing is trending and a free source to make passive income easily, more and more people are drawn towards it, seeking that financial security and the comfort of a laptop lifestyle. But the harsh reality is, over 95% of people who get into affiliate marketing fail. Moreover, COVID changed the world vastly, both online and offline. That means you have to adjust everything to the new situation. What is your marketing strategy? How do you reach out to people? What message do you send? And what product category do you focus your marketing efforts on? COVID isn't a death sentence for your business, marketing strategy, or affiliate program. On the contrary, it's a chance to perform better than ever. But you'll have to work hard and keep adjusting to make that happen. And to help you get started, we take pride in presenting Affincome Training Kit, a complete step-by-step video training encompassing everything you need to know to get started with affiliate marketing, generate new leads, and massive affiliate commissions every single day. Take a look at what you are going to get inside. Module number 1. 14 chapters of step-by-step training videos. It will show you exactly how to start your own affiliate marketing business and run it profitably online for the long term. Everything is screen recorded and well explained. We have covered several initial processes to get you going. Module number 2. Premier Training Guide on Affincome Training Kit. This guide will walk you through every step and information you need to start and scale up your affiliate marketing business for massive commissions. We have included everything for you to tap into this incredible marketing potential and make huge profits. And that's not all. In addition, we are providing 3 fast action bonuses. Bonus number 1, cheat sheet. Bonus number 2, mind map. Bonus number 3, top resource report. Download this amazing package that will help you to grow your affiliate marketing business to whatever level you see fit. It depends entirely on how ambitious you are and what you want out of it. So why wait? Get started today. Click on the buy button and grab the deal.